What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in Vegas. They got a Nike clearance store, so of course we got to check it out. Got a couple of gift cards. Let's see if they get used. This is the Las Vegas Premium Outlets. I believe it is on the Vegas Strip. Make sure you guys check out the description if you guys want the address, do all that type of stuff. Make sure you help a boy. Press that like button as well. All right, let's go check it out. I haven't been here in years. I think they got a finish line next door too. All right, let's go check it out. It's supposed to be pretty big, supposed to be pretty legit. Check and see if they have a heat card or anything like that. No, I don't see anything at the counters. Checking out the size 10, 10. Now look at the order, like all those are together, all the running shoes are together. Wow, look at how organized it is. It's crazy. Oh, the LeBrons are together right here as well. It's crazy. Dude got a bunch of the LeBron 19s, not any of the LeBron 2s though. No LeBron 2s, no LeBron 20s. And you got these, and then also got these, all $100. These are all the 10 and a halves. Got some of the Zoom Freaks 3s right here going for $50. Center courts going for $75. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing that you could find things so easily, because I guess if you're here and you're getting 20 pair of sneakers, it's a lot easier to find. So maybe not a good thing for us regular folks. Invincible Run Flyknits going for $80 right here. Infinity Run Flyknits going for $79.99, my bad. All the running shoes are placed together. Checking out the basketball sneakers, came back to the basketball section. Zion's going for $60. Holy crap. Those are the Zion ones. You got the Why Not 0.5s going for $60 as well. I don't know about heat stuff here quite yet because I haven't looked around as much, but if you need performance stuff, super cheap. Stay Loyal's going for $50. Checking out the size 10, kind of the same stuff with all the LeBrons. Got Monarchs going for $40. More of the Zions. Kind of the same stuff, man. All right, let's go check out some of the different sizes. This is definitely not an Eberlon low. Checking out the size 11. I forgot I can wear size 11 on some of the Nike basketball stuff. Not really seeing anything too different. Got some Metcon. What are these, the 7s or 8s? One of the Metcons, one of the newer ones, size 11. This is $60. That's hella cheap. This is one of the Nike by Use. Another one of these, the center courts. And these are probably like 60, 70 bucks at the most. They got all the recycled stuff right here. Man, I heard some people picked up some the Jordan Blvd 2s at the clearance store out in Santa Clarita. I kind of missed out on that. But yeah. Dang, have to go all the way to the size 12 to get the really good Alpha Fly Next Percent's going for $100. Got multiple colorways for $100. That's crazy. Court Vision, those of you guys that need budget sneakers, people mentioned that, hey, I should cover some more of the budget stuff. $35 for those. Court Vision's kind of a substitute for like the Jordan 1 lows or the Dunks if you can't really get those. What are these? Sandals right here? Is that the One Anta or the Oneanta? Be Trues, $35 for those. The Zoom Fly is going for $80. Moving up to the size 13, size 14s, not really seeing, well, these are the 15s. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really seeing that much difference. Size 17's got a bunch of PGs going for $10. $10 PG4s. Size 17, $10 KD13s. Got these, the offline 2.0s going for $30. I see another Metro PD. Like, do they have them as security here? That's just kind of interesting. Got a bunch of slides here, the Jordan slides. Man, these are like the newer budget ones. And these are all go for $25. Bunch of different colorways. Hairbands. I don't think I've ever seen hairbands go for what, $3 a piece. Got socks. It says $4.99 for all their single socks right here. Dude, I don't know, these are okay. All the performance stuff, I guess. The footsie, what the hell? Where your toes come out? That's interesting. $15 for the budget slides, the Victories, the trio of socks. Normally $18 down to $10. Okay. I do need some socks. Got the crew socks. Or these the ankle high socks. Normally, what, these are normally 22, I think. They're down to $15. I don't see any no-shows. And then these are lunch boxes. Dude got lunch boxes down to $10. Okay, normally 32. All right, guess I need to check stuff like this out. Do check apparel. Look at this. A little UCLA warm-up jacket. Looks like their practice ones, like what they wear when they come out. Dang, 80 down to $30. That's freaking fire. More University Blue stuff, size small, $30 for these. Sweats are $30 for these. They're not hoodies, these sweatshirts. Nike SB sweatshirts with the line on it, $30. Normally $90. They're smalls. The UCLA thing, that's a medium. Then they got a bunch of fleece pullovers going for $30, normally $75. These are all mediums. Jumpman hoodie, I got one of these. I think I got mine for probably like 20 bucks. I think I got it for $20. They'll go for 25 here. These are all larges. They got a few of them. In the women's section, they got Jordan 14s there. Funny, they said they're gonna like knock out all the reselling, but it's still alive. Like I said, it's gonna depend on which store that you go to. They're all gonna implement their own thing. They're buying a bunch of the same silhouettes and stuff, you know, but like I said, it's gonna depend on the outlets. I don't think that much is gonna change, to be really honest. Looking for one of those drawstring backpacks. I gave away a ton of them, and I saw them for what, $6 at one of the outlets. I kind of need it for this weekend because that's the only thing I can take in the venue this weekend. But yeah, none here. Backpacks $20, not too bad. Did forget to show what I'm wearing. Airspan 2s. I'm gonna be drinking all weekend, so I didn't bring any serious sneakers. Just brought some sneakers that I don't care too much about. These look fire, but they do look fire, but you know, like if they get ruined, they only cost me $30. And then it's hot, man. It's hot. It's like 90 degrees outside, man. All right, sneaker wise, not that much going on here. A lot of the same stuff. Checked all the accessories, all that stuff. All right, man, let's go next door. Let's go next door. Hope they got something, man, because I haven't been able to show you guys much, so hope they got something. Guys, dude got Enrique. That was pretty dope. Talk for a couple seconds. He's the one who actually won the one of the giveaways. Like I think I gave the Laker dunks to him. That was pretty dope. All right, you guys, finish line. Let's go see what they got here, man. Need to find something to show y'all. Holy crap, they got the gold toes, you guys. They do got the gold toes, and these ain't it. So I guess they don't have the gold toes, but that is definitely interesting. I've never seen these before. Never seen these. Leather does just not look good. How much these go for? I'm curious to see what they're going for. No price tag. It's that good, you guys. It's that good. Trey Young's down to $100. This is like the last chance section or something. $100 for these. Air Force Ones. Ooh, the breads. They got the breads now. Okay. No price tag on this one either. Kamikazes. Haven't seen one of these in a while. $60? They don't even have a sales tag on it. $60. Holy crap, that is hella cheap. Man, I'm not digging that colorway though, dude. I'm just not good with that one. I was hoping these were on sale. $170, no sale for those. The T-Max on sale, down $50. Okay. The pumps on sale. Now I'm all excited to see if they got random stuff on sale. Do got the pumps, not on sale that I know of. There's no price tag on it, so. But yeah, I do love these. I love pumps, man. I love these Omnis, fire. All the workers are taking a picture of all the shoes together. That's kind of dope. I think that's the most interesting thing I've seen so far here. Not much. What's up with these? Mitchell and Ness. Man, I bought one of these for my brother-in-law. Gave that to him for his birthday. Those are fire. I got it for hella cheaper though. But yeah, I do got these. $85. $85. This is the latest line that just came out. Lakers one, I would freaking love these. I paid no $85 though, man. That's insane, yo. $85 for some shorts? That's crazy. Dude got the penny jersey. This one is fire. Man, I love that one with the pinstripes on it. $135. Is this a Spreewell one? Yep, Spreewell. Man, I love all these. I just can't pay retail. The O'Neal, I think I have the purple O'Neal. I don't think I have the yellow one or the gold one. I think I'm gonna have to grab this one eventually. Hopefully I can find it on sale. Maybe at the end of the season at Lids in January, 135 for those two. Air Max 97s. Air Max 97s. Full retail though, but pretty dope colorway. Kind of like a Raiders colorway. Pretty fire color combo on that. All white. Got an all black one as well. All right, checking out the women's section. Finally got a few things on sale. Okay, Air Max 97s on sale. It says 150 right here, but it does say 120 right there. So 120, hell of a price. This one, it says 140 right there, but then it says 150. Everything's so off, it's funny. Couple of Vapor Maxes on sale in the women's section. Got a couple of Prestos, okay. Kids section, not really see much, man. It is what it is. All right, that was definitely an L on this trip. Sometimes it happens. Let's go, let's wrap it up, man. Got Alliance Stadium. Looks dope, dude, looks dope. Where the Raiders play. Got the Bud Light Pyramid. That's what my kid calls it, because there's a Bud Light sign on one side. And got the Strip, got the rest of the Strip. I'm not staying on the Strip, going to downtown. Got Deja Vu right there, where you guys can wear all your basketball shorts that I've been talking about on the vlogs.
That Lewis could kind of tell us.
This is crazy. Here at Skankfest, it's a comedy festival, but they even have a boxing ring. That's how crazy this is. Man, it's what, 3 o'clock. I already have 5 beers in. Damn, I need to go get some more beers. Yeah. All right, let's go see what happens with the boxing. Round 2, fool's going at it. Fool's going at it. Jab, come on. Tall dude does not seem to know how to throw a punch.
Listen.
Look at this shit right here. This is crazy. Crazy. Ellis Mania happening at Skankfest.
Ready?
It's nuts.
Let's fight. Woo!
It's nuts. They're fighting with blindfolds on and with shock collars around their necks. Oh, they're going. So we got one professional fighter, we got Ari Shafir dressed up as a piñata, and we got 4 dudes fighting all of them. What the hell? This is random. What the hell? What the hell? Woo! The refs involved too. The refs involved too. This is, oh my god, dude. Can't pay enough for this. Oh, Ari's down. Ari's down.
Uh.